Unang-una, what is their subpoena na kailangan ng NBI? If they're investigating the alleged threat that thrown, she has thrown to the triumvirate, ang kailangan mo lang yung video. Yun lang naman ang kailangan mo eh. Kasi
Mhm.
it's defined under the law. So kung ano yung sinasabing elements, makikita mo yun doon sa video nung ginawa niya yung sinasabing pagbabanta. Hindi mo na kailangan siyang ipatawag eh.
Mhm.
Oh. So,
Mm.
it's okay for her not to comply with the subpoena. Okay lang yun. I mean, can she just go and explain herself there?
Not only it is okay, it is not required for any person subpoenaed by the NBI to go there. She can ask somebody to represent her like a lawyer or a representative, or she can submit an affidavit or a sworn. He doesn't have to. Kung ang gusto ng NBI na i-demanda siya, tuloy nyo na lang sa piskalya.